I think this temperature is really cool. We can crop it as much as we... There we go. Now on to section number 2. Change the color, size, and so how we're going to do that, I showed you a short little extract of that in the previous step. So basically you have to touch the image or the video and you can zoom in or you can zoom out. As you can rotate it as well by moving your fingers around the screen in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So I'm going to tilt mine a bit like that. And there we go. Alright, but now, you know what we can do? If we go to the bottom of where it says the crop on the top right hand corner, and we say advanced, right? We like to just where we want it. We can crop from the left and the right like that. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the lightning bolt at the top right hand corner to transitions, and we can put on fade, and we can put wipes and also slides as well. I think slides looks very cool, and at the bottom we can say how long we want the slide for, and basically it's gonna look like this. So it's like gonna slide up. I think that's very cool. Yeah, what do you guys think about that? Anyway, now we're gonna get onto changing the colors. So I'm just gonna select a new clip and we can like change the exposure, the contrast, some highlights. I think this temperature is really cool. Make it like dark and we can tint it. Maybe green, purple tint, maybe purple. Make it vibrant. Yeah, great. And we can put saturation on as well. Then if we go to advanced, there's a bunch of stuff like sharpening. I really like sharpening. Like it brings out the different like aspects in the video, and like feather it, which basically makes it sort of like rounded certain places. Alright, that's it for the second section.